Transfer FLOKI from Binance to bitget. So how to transfer FLOKI from Binance to bitget? It's easy and simple. Now first of all, make sure you are logged into your Binance account. Now head over to your wallet icon. Now after that, click on the spot. Now after that, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, you can find and click on withdraw. Now after that, from here, search for FLOKI like this, and after you find it, just click on it. Now here, select the withdraw to address. Now after that, how to get the withdrawal address is by going to bitget, and now head over to this icon wallet, or you can go to like the profile icon. Now I will choose this icon wallet. Now after that, you need to have to go or to click on deposit. So after that, now search for the FLOKI token. As you can see, now after you select it, you will be select the network. Make sure to select the BIP20. Now after that, now you can now copy the wallet address. As you can see, now go back to Binance, and as you can see from here, just paste the like the address. Now from here, make sure to select the BIP20 as you selected on the bitget. Now after that, as you can see, enter how much you want to transfer of FLOKI. Now as you can see, this is the information of the transfer. So as you can see, the amount redeemed must be at least 7,000. So you need to enter more than 7,000 of FLOKI, as they said. Now as you can see, this is how much you will receive. And after you are ready to go, just click on withdraw, and you will be access or redirect to another page to confirm the buy or the withdraw. So this is how to transfer FLOKI from Binance to bitget. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.